Good morning, everyone. Hey, our Monday morning winter weather system is now on the way, and we're expecting precipitation to begin uh, here shortly. And I just looked out, and yes, it's started here. So this is going to be a classic late winter setup. Snow for some, a mix of rain and snow for others, and eventually turning over to all rain. We're still expecting a swarf of 1 to 2 inches of snow across much of Indiana and Ohio. That's the general range anyway. However, within that band, there could be isolated spots that could see up to 3 inches, especially where snowfall rates briefly increase during the morning hours. Roads could become snow covered quickly once it starts, which it has already. Just look out the window and it's starting to come down. And the untreated roads could end up being slick real quick. Further south, especially closer to the Ohio River into the southern Indiana and southwest Ohio, we'll see more of a wintry mix. That includes sleet, freezing rain, just a mix of winter. Ice accumulations are expected to stay minor, but we could see up to 1/10 of an inch in some spots over the forecast area. That's enough to create slick roads, slick sidewalks, and possibly some isolated travel issues, particularly during your morning commute. Now, here's the key transition. We'll see a final changeover to rain from the south to the north somewhere between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. this afternoon. That means the southern areas switch to rain first, central area follows, northern area changes last. Once we flip to rain, the temperatures climb conditions will gradually improve through the afternoon. So the bottom line here is snow begins around 5 a.m., 1 to 2 inches. Isolated areas could see up to 3 inches. Southern area will see sleet and freezing rain with minor ice. Change over to rain late morning into early afternoon. This morning's impact system, not an all-day winter storm, but it could make a slow, slick commute. So allow extra time once you get out traveling. Use caution on the bridges and overpasses, and keep checking for updates as the system moves in. Now let's break it down for the rest of the forecast as we move through the week and what you can expect as we start the Monday out here. A temperature of 27 degrees at this recording at 4:45 a.m. And the snow, like I said, is just started here at 5:15 right now. Snow is likely mainly before 10 a.m. Then we'll transition to mostly cloudy skies through the rest of the day, looking at a high temperature of 38 degrees. Winds be out of the east at 7 to 10 miles per hour. Snow chances around 60%. And additional snow accumulation, less than a half inch, what I'm looking at right now. So the main impact are early. Once we get past the mid-morning, conditions settle down, but it stays gray and chilly out there. Looking at your Monday night forecast, clouds hang around Monday night, and after 2 a.m. we'll introduce a chance of rain along the patchy fog developing. Low around 35 degrees, winds out of the east at 6 miles per hour. Looking at a 50% chance of rain, and rainfall amounts to be light, less than 1/10 of an inch. Visibility could become an issue late Monday night into early Tuesday morning as you make your way to work or wherever you need to go. Tuesday turns much wetter. We're looking at a steady rain along with the patchy fog before 1 p.m. Highs around 53 degrees. Winds out of the south at 5 to 9 miles per hour. Rain chances at 90%. And as far as your rain totals, looking at between 1/4 and a half inch possible. It's a mild day, but definitely a wet one, so take your rain gear with you. Tuesday night, rain continues, low around 48 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at around 5 miles per hour, becoming light and variable. The rain chances remain at 90%, and additional rainfall between a half and 3/4 of an inch possible. That's when we'll really start adding up some totals. But at least it's not the white stuff, it's the wet stuff, right? All right. Wednesday stays active. Rain continues around 4 p.m. We could even see a few thunderstorms in the forecast. Highs near 62 degrees, rain chances around 80%. Rainfall amounts between 1/4 and 1/2 inch possible. It's very mild for this time of the year, but it comes with a stormy feel anyway. Looking at your Wednesday night forecast and what you can expect, showers continue Wednesday night, and a thunderstorm is still possible. Low around 56 degrees, chance of rain around 80%. So we're shifting from early week winter weather to midweek spring, like rain and some thunderstorms in the forecast. Right now, I'm not looking at anything severe, but we'll stay on top of it and keep you updated on Jim Scott's Weather Desk. With that, everybody be safe. Appreciate all the thumbs up out there that you give me, and appreciate your comments. I do read them each and every day. And just stay informed and keep up with the weather. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.